Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick Excel tip. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick, the if statement. This little formula can make your spreadsheets way smarter in just a few seconds. Let's dive in. Alright, let's say you have a list of students' scores in column A, and you want to check if each student has passed or failed. We'll consider a score of 50 or more as a pass. Here's how you do it. First, click on the cell where you want your result. Now type equal if to start your formula. The if statement needs three parts. First, the condition you're checking, so we type A2 greater or equal than 50. That's our test. Next, what happens if the test is true? Let's say we want it to show pass. Finally, what if the test is false? We'll make it display fail. Hit enter and there you go. If the score in A2 is 50 or more, you'll see pass. If it's less, you'll see fail. Now let's make it more interesting. Suppose we want to give more detailed feedback. If the score is 80 or more, we want it to show excellent. So type equal if A2 greater or equal than 80, comma, excellent, comma. Instead of just writing what happens if the test is false, we'll add another if statement. So type if A2 greater or equal than 50, comma, pass, comma, fail. Put it all together and hit enter. And there you go. If the score in A2 is 80 or more, you'll see excellent. If it's between 50 and 79, you'll see pass. If it's less than 50, you'll see fail. But wait, there's more. You can also use nested if statements and more conditions. For example, if you want to add feedback for scores between 70 and 79 as good, you'd write equal if A2 greater or equal than 80, comma, excellent, comma, if A2 greater or equal than 70, comma, good, comma, if A2 greater or equal than 50, comma, pass, comma, fail. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to add some logic to your Excel sheets with the if statement. Give it a try and see how it can transform your data. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome Excel tips. Have a good day.